Here we have for sale our December 2024 on a 74 plate Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. So this is the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. It is a T28, which means it's got a 2.8 ton gross vehicle weight. This is a short wheelbase Highline, what did start its life as a panel van. This has got the 150 brake horsepower Euro 6 2-litre TDI diesel engine. 6-speed manual gearbox, of course, with that, but this has undergone a thorough Kombi conversion and, of course, a full styling upgrade. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'm going to show you the spec, the condition, and talk you through all of the details of the work that has been done on this fantastic Transporter, seeing as that it is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So the first thing to note is that this is effectively a brand new van. It is as I say, registered in December 2024, so it's not brand new, of course, in terms of age, but it has got delivery miles. It was 400 miles on this van. Of course, in these videos, I'm usually talking through in detail every little, stone chip or marker, anything on the van. There is nothing to talk on this van because it is, as I say, literally delivery miles. So this condition is as it would be if the van, of course, was brand new. But as I say, what I can talk you through is of course, all of the spec that is on this van. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd from factory with a rear glazed tailgate. And we can tell this is a factory glazed tailgate because it has got, of course, the rear glass, but you can see the heating elements here in the glass. So these little orange lines, that is to tell you that this has got a heated rear glass, and you've also got the rear wiper as well there. So as I say, that came from factory with that rear glass. In terms of the styling here then, we can see the nice rear spoiler has been added, and further down below then we can see this nice carbon rear bumper protector has been added as well. I'll talk you through a bit more of the spec as we go around the side of the van. Factory optional extra then, this one has got a reversing camera, which is a very nice touch, I think, on a Kombi conversion. If we open up the rear door then, the rear tailgate, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van here, and we can see that this one has been completely carpet lined in the back, so full carpet lining on the sides, of course, and to the roof you've got this lovely suede headlining with also nice LED spotlights there as well. Of course, looking at the floor, you've got this nice soft touch rear flooring there, and of course you've got the nice tie down points there as well to help you tie cargo down here in the back of the van. You can also see this is the correct placement for the toolkit, but yeah, fantastic condition in there, of course, as you would expect. We'll come around to a bit more of the spec in just a second. Carpeted, of course, inside the rear tailgate there as well. If we go around to the passenger side, it's probably easier for this. We'll talk you through some of the bits which have been added here. So the van has been lowered. So the van is lowered around 40 millimeters on lowering springs, and that is then accompanied with these fantastic Navis Twin-5 gloss black alloy wheels. These are an absolute personal favorite of ours. We fit these on Transporters. I had these on my own van. I absolutely love this alloy wheel. They're fully load rated, of course, with load rated tires. Just a very robust wheel, and I think they just work so well with the rest of the styling. While we're down here as well, then we can see the nice trapezoid sidebars which have been added, which actually go very well with the style of the wheel, and of course a nice set of roof bars as well. Side windows have been added, and they've used the proper flush side windows, which I think is a really nice touch. If we open up the side loading door then, we can start to have a look at the spec and condition in the back of here. So we have got a 2+1 split rear seating configuration here in the back. You've got ISOFIX compatibility on these rear seats. Of course, you can flip these up if you want to, so you can flip that forward like so, but crucially you can see that this has got a full brand new leather interior. So this lovely black leather with the contrast in white or light grey hex stitch in here as well. I just think that looks absolutely fantastic, and you've got this beautiful leather smell inside here as well, which is of course so nice. Looking at the back of the front seats, of course you've got the nice pockets there on the back of the front seats as well. If we open up the passenger door then, we can start to have a look inside the front of here. So you can see this one is set up as a 6-seater, so you've got the double passenger seat, which of course does then give you the storage underneath. And again, of course, this fantastic brand new leather interior continues then into the front of the van as well. But you can see the nice proper correct deep step and everything has been fitted here. It's a really thorough Kombi conversion which has been done on this van. Let's move around to the front of the van then. So another factory extra on this, not only have we got, of course, the tailgate and the reversing camera, but this one has got LED headlights, so factory LED headlights. I've said for many years, if there's one box, or the first box I'm ticking, if I was ever speccing one of these, it is LED headlights. A fantastic upgrade from the standard headlights. It gives you these lovely LED daytime running lights, but just a brilliant performing headlights compared to the standard headlights. Looks so nice as well. Some more styling upgrades here then. So you've got the full gloss black front grille, so the gloss black upper grills with the gloss black badge, the gloss black lower grills, and also the gloss black front splitter as well. And I think when you tie all of that in with the slight lowering, the wheels, sidebars, LED headlights, I think that is a stunning looking van. Of course, this van is finished in pure grey, so that really nice solid grey colour, which I think looks absolutely spot on. And say, really, when you combine that with the styling and even this leather inside as well, I think that looks absolutely lovely. Let's have a look at some of the spec inside here then. So we have got, of course, got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors. The van is supplied with 2 full flip remote keys. If we jump inside, you can see that mileage there, 438 miles, all idling correctly, of course. No warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. On the left hand side then, you've got your adaptive cruise control just there, and then your onboard computer controls there on the right hand side. 6-speed manual gearbox in this van. You've got heated windscreen, another factory optional extra, and this one has got heated front seats. You've also got air conditioning, and you've got your heated rear window just there as well. You can toggle the parking sensors and your stop on the left hand side, and then in the center here then you'll have, of course, got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this screen here in the center, and you've got DAB radio on here, and you can connect your phone to it via Bluetooth as well. So a really comprehensive spec, and so nice list of factory optional extras on top of the already impressive Highline spec with reversing camera, heated seats, rear glazed tailgate, and LED headlights. Those really are the key sort of optional extras, I would say, to have on a transporter van. To find one of these now with delivery miles, you've still got, of course, the balance of manufacturer's warranty on it until December of 2027. This is an increasingly rare opportunity. Very, very high quality Kombi conversion carried out, of course, as you can see, with the flush side windows, full leather interior, styling package on the outside, with top quality components like the Navis Twin-5 alloy wheels. I say very, very attractive proposition indeed. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgeendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van. We've got this van advertised what I think is a very appealing and attractive price point. I say for a delivery miles transporter Kombi now, I think that looks great value at the price that we've got this advertised at. We can deliver our vans nationwide, so if you're not local to us, not to worry, we can offer delivery nationwide to you. We can also arrange finance packages at very competitive rates, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. Of course, this is VAT qualifying and being on the logbook as a panel van, and on the invoice as a panel van. There's not really much argument to be had there with it being classed as a commercial vehicle, so it could be a really attractive proposition for any business owners watching this, or if you want to use this as your own personal van. What a great van to use as your family vehicle with all that fantastic space back there. Nice leather seats in there, which are nice and easy to keep clean as well. So very, very attractive van, I think. And I say you can head over to our website to see that full advert. Thank you very much for watching.